The world doesn't slow down. Businesses open at midnight. Deals close across time zones. Customers expect answers in seconds, not hours. Behind every company running on Salesforce, from a two-person startup to a Fortune 500, there is an infrastructure layer working silently, constantly, at a scale that's difficult to fully comprehend. Millions of transactions every second across every continent. This is the foundation that makes it all possible. Without foundation as a name, Hyperforce, it is Salesforce's next generation infrastructure, completely rebuilt from the ground up to be faster, safer, and more responsible. Not just for businesses, for the planet. Hyperforce runs entirely on a renewable energy. Its carbon footprint is a net zero, and it is built on the unbreakable commitments that your data stays compliant with local laws, that it remains secure from every angle, and that the platform is available whenever you need it, without exception. This isn't just a cloud infrastructure, it is a promise. Here is a challenge that every global company faces. Different countries have different laws about where data can be stored and who can access it. In Europe, GDPR sets strict rules. In other regions, local regulations apply. Violating these rules isn't just a fine, it can be a crisis. Hyperflow solves this by deploying in a specific geographic regions around the world. Your data stays within the borders you chose. It doesn't drift, it doesn't travel, it doesn't cross any jurisdictions where it shouldn't be. Think of it like a vault that is physically located in the country where your business operates. Your data never leaves without your permission. Security in Hyperforce isn't a feature you can turn on. It is built into every layer, from the moment data enters the system to the moment it arrives at its destination. Every piece of information is encrypted hand to hand, meaning even if someone intercepted it in a transit, they would see nothing but unreadable noise. And access to the system follows a principle called zero trust, which means no one is automatically trusted ever. Every user, every system, every connection must prove who it is every single time. Once access is granted, it covers only exactly what is needed, nothing more, and expires the moment it is no longer required. It is not panorama, it is precision. What happens when something goes wrong? A server fails, a data center loses power, a network connection drops. In most systems, that means downtime. In Hyperforce, it means nothing. Because your data and your applications are running simultaneously across multiple independent locations at all times. If one location experiences a problem, the others absorb the load instantly and automatically. There is no manual switch to flip, no engineer to call, no waiting. The system detects the issue and reroutes traffic in seconds before most users would even notice a slowdown. Reliability isn't a goal, it is the architecture. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and to like the video so you don't miss the rest of this series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.